Hello everyone, we're about to bike check this Simplon Pro 27.5. It is now a cassette type with 1136 on the sprocket and L2, A3, RD and FD. This is quite dirty because I was not able to clean this one, but this is my budget MTB. Has an headset of Ragusa cell bearing. This one, the M200 Shimano hydraulic brake with this fork from Simplon hydraulic coil type, the governor hub, that is a carbon fiber, but it is a plastic, just the design of carbon fiber. Okay, checking. This is a 3 months old bike. That is